In today's video, we will be discussing the so-called just-in-time procurement method. First, we will take a look at what this term entails, and then we will delve into the advantages and disadvantages of this procurement method. The just-in-time procurement method is a demand-synchronized procurement method. This means that orders are placed in alignment or synchrony with the demand. As a result, no warehousing is necessary. Only when the corresponding delivery product is actually needed, it is delivered and can be used immediately. In a perfectly coordinated just-in-time procurement chain, there are no waiting times. The just-in-time procurement method first gained traction in the automotive industry. This makes a lot of sense, as large warehouses for large components represent a very significant cost factor here. Reducing the warehouse has made automobile manufacturing more efficient in many ways. Today, the just-in-time procurement method is implemented in many industries and is almost indispensable. Alright, now that we know what the term entails, it's time to look at the advantages and disadvantages of the just-in-time procurement method. A major advantage lies in the already mentioned possibility of cost reduction. Small or even no warehouses save enormous costs, which can undoubtedly be considered a significant advantage. Another advantage lies in the reduction of production time. Since waiting times are eliminated in an optimal just-in-time procurement chain, production time decreases, and the company can produce more products in the same amount of time and thus sell them faster. Furthermore, it can be mentioned as an advantage that companies using the just-in-time procurement method can always rely on the most up-to-date or modern components. This is because no warehouse is built up where older or outdated components might be stored and eventually need to be used. This increases the competitiveness of the products. Alright, so much for the advantages. Now let's move on to the disadvantages of this procurement method. One disadvantage of the just-in-time procurement method is the massive dependency on suppliers. As soon as supply chains are delayed, everything comes to a standstill and production cannot proceed. This is a serious risk that is difficult to minimize. Another disadvantage involves the often high delivery costs. Since there is no leeway in terms of delivery times in the just-in-time procurement method, only suppliers who can guarantee this can be used. These suppliers must therefore have the necessary capacity, which they charge well for. Finally, there is also the risk of a loss of quality. Since production parts must be processed directly in the just-in-time procurement method, there is often not enough time to thoroughly check the quality of the delivery products in advance. This can result in the use of defective production parts, which represents a disadvantage of this procurement method. We hope this video has helped you understand the topic of the just-in-time procurement method. See you next time and have a good one.